Okay, supplied hardware and recommended tools. 1 front bracket, steel bracket, and then 6 M6 by 25mm long hex head bolts plus washers. 3 rubber grommets. They have their corresponding places. And then 5mm Allen key or Allen socket, bit with driver. 8mm hex socket and ratchet. Then we're going to use the 5mm Allen key or bit to remove the front grill. So all 4 bolts will come out. Save it. We're going to put it back on. Okay, this is off. Put it to the side. Then we're going to grab the bracket. Line up the mounting holes. Thread in the bolts. Do make sure to use medium strength Loctite or locking fluid. These bolts will have to be fully tightened before you proceed to the next step. Apply blue Loctite and then torque these bolts. Next step, put the OEM front plastic grill back on with the original screws. Pull them snug and move on to the next step. And then put the rubber grommets in the corresponding places, 1 up front and 2 on the sidewalls. You should wear some gloves. Then put on the skip plate, line up the front mounting holes, apply medium strength Loctite. First in and then second. Make sure that the first bolt that you put in, it's just 1 or 2 turns on that bolt. Okay, no more. Okay, both bolts are in. Proceed. Go to the back end. Grab the remaining 2 bolts. Put the first one in. Of course, use blue Loctite, medium strength Loctite. And same again, just 1 or 2 turns here as well. No more. Then on the other side, line up the mounting holes. Push the bolt in and thread this bolt all the way in. Done. Move to the front and then pull these bolts snug, actually all of them, gradually. And then you will be able to apply the torque specs, which is 10 Newton meter for all 6mm diameter bolts. And then when it's done at the front, you can go to the back. And it's also the same, 10mm. And when you're done, place the front grill back beyond the skip plate, and that's the final look. So if you have any questions, please leave us a comment or email info@outbackmotortech.com or call 877-931-3636. Thank you.